Hello everybody, my name is Naushad and today we are going to learn about arrow functions. In JavaScript, there is a more concise syntax for creating functions called arrow functions. They provide a shorter and more straightforward way to define functions, especially for simple one-line actions. The basic syntax for arrow function is this create a function func that takes argument arg1 and argn, evaluates the expression on the right side using these arguments and returns the result. Arrow functions are equivalent to the following function expressions. Here is an example of an arrow function that calculates the sum of two numbers. This is equivalent to the longer form. You can call arrow functions in the same way as function expressions. Arrow functions are especially useful when dealing with simple one-line expressions. If the function has only one argument, you can omit the parentheses around the parameters. If the arrow function has no arguments, you must still include empty parentheses. Arrow functions can also be used dynamically, like function expressions, for example. Arrow functions may seem unfamiliar at first, but they become more readable as you get used to their structure. They are great for concise and straightforward functions, especially when you want to avoid writing lengthy code. Multi-line arrow functions. In JavaScript, arrow functions can also handle more complex logic with multiple expressions and statements. To create a multi-line arrow functions, you enclose the function body with curly braces. However, when using curly braces, you need to include an explicit return statement if you want the function to return a value, just like a regular function. Here is an example of a multi-line arrow function that calculates the sum of two numbers. As you can see, the sum function now has multiple expressions inside curly braces. Arrow functions have other interesting features as well, which we will explore in depth later. For now, you can use them for simple one-line actions and as callback function. Their concise syntax makes them great for handling various scenarios in our JavaScript code.